Here is a video of a 2006 25-foot Searay cuddy cabin kind of runabout boat that the owner brought to us. He already had the bracket made and installed and had bought this engine secondhand. When it has a 27 pitch 4-blade prop, which I can guarantee is going to be way too much prop for this boat. But it used to have a 5-liter or 5.7 Merc Cruiser down there, so you got all that room extra now. But yeah, let's give this thing a go, see how it runs. Guarantee it's got too much prop on it right now, so we'll just be selling them a different pitch later, I'm sure. But let's give her a go. There's a Suzuki electronic throttle control, digital gauge there. All right. A little slow, but different prop would definitely solve that. Nice and smooth. Yeah, see, she's only turning 4,500 RPM, but like I said, a lower pitch prop will fix that. Little bit too much spray out the engine too. I think they actually mounted it an inch or two too low, but see if he wants to fix that or not. But anyways, thanks for watching.